We have already discussed, but I'll repeat, charity is very important. You have to do charity every day. Every day. No, I'm charitable. I do charity. When did you do last? In 20, now you have to think. Even if you donate $1, good enough. It's okay. I'm not asking you to donate huge sum. $1 will do, but every day. Now, where will you get the person to take that $1? You go to food court, you can give it to that auntie. You can buy tissue paper. There are so many, if you look for or you go to a church, temple area, you put it in the box. At least $1, please, please, please. This is the easiest thing you can do. Gratitude and charity are irreplaceable. There is no substitute to this. Rich people do rich charities. I know people who do what kind of insane charities I will not, and they never have spoken about it. Nobody knows. Nobody in the family also knows that this guy is donating millions of dollars. Nobody knows. I have a friend in Calcutta, he does what kind of insane charity you cannot. And he always keeps saying, don't tell anybody, don't tell anybody, don't tell. My wife also doesn't, nobody knows. Please donate at least $1 every day. And donation means when you give that money, you will not get back anything in return from that person. That is donation. I have a domestic maid at home, I give her money. So she'll do better work for me. No, that is not donation, by the way. That is not donation. I do something at some forum where I'll get some return, then that is not donation. Donation is you are giving it, that's it, it's the end of it. You don't remember it also. You're not arrogant about it also. So you have to do it. There is no substitute to this. If you don't do it, you are breaking the flow. When you take responsibility for many people, more money comes. Because God has to take care of so many people. You have 1,000 workers, He has to give you money for 1,000 workers. You don't have any employee in your office, very good, God has to only take care of you. But you have 10 employees, He has to give money for 11 people to you. You have 100 employees, He has to give money for 101 people for you. So, more responsible you are, more charitable you are, more grateful you are, more money you will make. Take it as a statement of authority. Take it, believe me for this statement. More grateful you are, more charitable you are, more responsible you are. When you take responsibility for everybody, you will make more money. Divine laws operate like that. Namaste friends. The list of videos on and around this topic has been put for your perusal. If you want to make comments or ask questions, please put them in comment box. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.